Hey everyone, in today's mini tutorials we will see how we join any kind of lace or border or fabric facings to dupattas. This is a baby dupatta. The baby is of 2 years, so I'm just doing it. I have taken a fabric that is 2 inches wide and I have just torn it because I'm in great hurry. You will never see me working like this, but today we do not have a choice. I am in a lot of hurry, and other times I would have ironed it flat and then started working, but it is how it is. It will not make any difference in finishing for me, because I know how to handle things, as I have experience of very many years. But I would request you to first iron the fabric and then start. See, we have a joint here. I have opened the joint flat and then I am pressing it against each other, and then I'm doing it, and let's see how we do it. I am stitching at the edge, matching both the edge of the fabric and that of the dupatta, and then making a stitch at not even quarter inch, just aligning the margin with the border. I hope you can see. And here we have come to the corner. You have to check how we do the corner. See, I have this much left, just as much you are taking for your seam allowance. You have to leave that much only. If you are taking half inch, so that would be it. Do not pull or tug on any of the fabric, just let it loose and just turn over. I think we need one more stitch. Here you go, and then watch carefully. I am moving aside the extra fabric and just turning it organically, just the way it goes, and we have turned the corners. You will be able to see just in a minute how it turned out and what difference it will make when we turn the fabric over. So this is how it is. See, this is the wrong side and this is the right side. While turning, we will just put a notch on the exact corner. If you wish, you may also clip off the excess from the edge. There are many ways to do this. I am showing you this method today because as I said, I'm in great hurry and I need to finish it quickly, and I haven't been able to post anything for my audience for the longest time ever due to the Durga Puja orders and the hectic schedule. Every night I have been working all night and I have been sleeping in the morning, in the dawn, 5:30, and then again with few hours of sleep I have been getting up and then working again. So I have not had any time to myself or even to film anything. I am really sorry. I apologize from the bottom of my heart to all my audience who love to watch my work, and I promise as soon as the Durga Puja and Diwali Navratri is over, again the videos will start coming. I will start filming exclusively for you guys and I will start posting. You know what, we will have to make another joint. The fabric is little shorter, this much, so I'll just come back with a piece of fabric that should be enough to be joined here, and then I will show you how we join it. And I'm back with this piece of fabric, which I think should be enough. I'm placing right sides on wrong sides and cutting it at an angle, just how we do for the bias tapes or bias bindings, the same way, because if we join it this way diagonally, then the bulk, we can reduce the bulk that way. So no rocket science, just this much. See, I will just place one on top of the other, and we should always keep the excess outside, so that where the seam allowances are supposed to be, we have enough fabric there. Otherwise, many a times you will see that your bias tapes or these joinings, they do not align properly. They are, see, this has aligned properly, so sometimes you will find one ends here and the other one starts from here. That is because we do not align our seam allowances. So this was also a tip for you guys, and we will continue. You have already seen how to turn the edges, so I'll meet you where I join the corners. I've come almost to the end, and this is where the fabric begins, and I have come to the end. I will overlap both the fabrics and then I'll just stop. There is also another way, just like we joined both the fabrics, we can finish this also the same way, but today I am just finishing it like this. I'll just turn it over and then like this, and then I will do like this and I will stitch it. And for turning the corners, as I had said, I will clip the tension away and we will turn it over. See, like this. And then what we'll do, we'll just align. I want to keep a kind of piping on the other side. We have come all to the edge and we have the stitch going on here, so I will just turn it like this and we will have beautiful sharp corners. I will start stitching right from the corner. Oh, I just have to change the bobbin, as the fabric is pink on the other side now. I'll lock it with a pin. And we're set to go. So I'm just starting from where we had joined both the fabrics. Removing the pin, taking one stitch at a time so that I do not go beyond. Or so you've come to the end and then reverse stitching. We've reached the corner and now we will just keep folding the fabric and keep stitching the same way. I will show you again when I reach the other corner. So see, I am pulling this fabric, not pulling like pulling, just aligning it straight to where it ends, and then with this stitch here I will just turn it like this, and we will have a beautifully turned corner again. Slowly, here we go, just along the edge, reverse, and here we go. So this is how we do any kind of borders, or you can do the same for laces as well. I will show you another trick as soon as I am done with all my orders and the work burden is a little lighter. It is also my daughter's exams, so I'm perplexed, little overwhelmed with all the work pressure. I'm just arranging all the corners so that I can stitch at one go. Here you go. Just put a pin here and lock it for the meanwhile. And this is how the wrong side will look, and this is how the right side will look. We'll do the same for this one. Turn it over. And done. These salwar suit sets that I've made for these twin babies, they are so adorable, and the outfits have turned out so cute. The mother was super happy with the outcome. She just shared that she wanted, because they live overseas, they do not live here, they have just come for Durga Puja, and the kids have started to walk. They are 2 years old and have started going to school, so the mother wanted something Indian for the kids, which would not compromise on comfort or on style. So we chose this beautiful cotton printed fabric, which is super soft to touch, and her mother had not shared any reference picture or anything. I made it on my own, like the design and everything. I did it whatever came to my mind at that moment, and I will just show you in a second how beautiful the entire set has turned out. This is another dupatta, the other one here. I have just attached it on the shoulder so that it doesn't slip off. It is just a hand tag. Her mom can remove the stitches whenever she wishes, and we are done. I will show you the outfit just in a moment. So here we go. This is the kurta. I have given puff sleeves with rick-rack laces. This is the neck patch. I've attached a small thin lace here, and I have given a zip at the back. Here is the invisible zip. You cannot tell. Just look at the finishing, and this is how the kurta looks. These are the bottoms. With it, I have given a matching pom-pom lace, as they are kids, and this is how the inside looks. This is how the outside looks. It is kind of Afghani pants, as I thought that this would look lovely with the set. And here is the dupatta. that we just designed. This is the dupatta, and we have another set because they are twin babies. This is the other set, and here is the dupatta. So this is the final look. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. For more such videos, please stay tuned with Aksma Designs. Thank you for supporting. Till then, happy sewing and take very good care of yourself. Goodbye.